Hey guys, this is gonna be a new video today. I'm making a video about my new Nerf gun. I already did an unboxing to show you how I unboxed it, but I didn't want to because I didn't have the camera. My brother did it. We're gonna unbox it. So I got a new Nerf gun, and my friend here is actually my cousin. And we're gonna show you my Nerf gun. Okay.
Let's do it.
We will meet you there. See you later, guys. I'm back, and here is the Nerf gun. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. I like the modifier what it's made of. I like the grip right here. It's kind of cool. I like the hammer. I played with it a couple times. Me and my cuz and my bro. Well, my brother's not here. He's getting ready for his baseball game. And I like the modifier list. Like, you can like have a Nerf war, and we like, look guys, look. Does this look so cool? Huh? Guys, this gun is awesome. And this way sounds like it shoots. You gotta see the bullet. Stick the bullet in there. Alright. Pull the hammer back. Let me see. Guys, this is how it shoots. Alright, there's the bullet in the right there. And guys, that gun was really modified to be for different purposes, and so today's video was very different. That's my first unboxing video. So because that's my first time doing a video like this. Sorry for that. This is what happens. This is not going to be happening most of the time, because we have different things to do most of the time. Me and my cuz, we just be hanging out. I might have a sleepover at home today. I might stay at his house tonight, but I don't know. I probably not. Probably.
I might even be staying with him tonight.
Probably
until Thursday.
Yeah.
My mom's going somewhere.
Yeah. Guys. So something. I appreciate you guys. This is, if I would have never got this far when watching everybody else's videos, this camera helped me out. Okay, so guys, we want a lot of support for this channel. We gotta get more videos coming out soon. We're new to this channel. We just started like a couple months ago. He hasn't been in most of our. He has. Have you been in one of our videos?
The only one.
What? Which one?
What about the JB whatever?
I don't know. I don't think I posted that one.
About my yo bro G.
Alright guys. Let me see me gun. See me gun, me mate.
Don't shoot.
I'm not gonna shoot. Here, get the camera. Hold your hand. Alright guys, here I am. I'm back at the ranch. I'm at the house. Come on, let's go. Follow me back here. This is gonna be my first time shooting. This is gonna be like my 100th time shooting this since I played with it all day. Well, like my 5th, I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna get low because this is a little low. Alright.
Wait.
I should shoot.
You get right here.
Hey bro, why don't you sit right here. And then you see the bullet coming right here. Alright.
So I'm on the whatever machine. So I'm on the stupid machine.